My name is Stephen Acevedo, and I work with Johns Manville up in Defiance, Ohio. So we had a lot of solutional problems with employees possibly causing harm as they were trying to change a propane tank, either lifting up to an appropriate height or lifting up the specific weight that they were trying to manage. Sometimes propane tanks would go anywhere from 45 pounds to 75 pounds, depending on how heavy they would be filled. So in that method, what we had decided to do was combine it with two different solutions. One being the propane swivel tank, simple enough to, instead of having to be up to the directional height that they need, now they can swivel it out, swivel it down, and that had moved the position of the tank to be a little bit lower for everyone to manage. Now we combine that with another method of an electric lift, so we're now, instead of having to lift up 75 pounds of force, you only need to worry about using one finger to move the material that you need. Our solution was to also create a contraption to hold the propane tank, to hold it during transit. So in doing so, they're able to get the weight that they need with ease, and instead of a 75-pound pull, they now have a 15-pound push on the fulcrum. Pull it back up, push it back up, and pivot back into the solution. And we went from an average of about 50 to 60 incidences a year down to 4 now, and each one of those has been a massive improvement of being able to production count and as well as employee health.
Excellent. We certainly wish you luck in the competition.
Appreciate it. Thank you.